Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today we're going to make a Christmas countdown chain. Remember those from elementary school? Well, here's a reusable fabric version of that chain. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you will need 6-inch by 11-inch strips of fabric, assorted colors. You're going to need to cut 25 of those, and Velcro. Fold both ends of one of the pieces of fabric in just 1/4 of an inch and press it. Now fold the fabric in half lengthwise and press it. Open the fabric back up. Fold both the top and bottom of the fabric lengthwise to meet that middle pressed line and press that. Fold the entire strip over again and press one more time. Top stitch all the way around using 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. Cut the Velcro into 1-inch pieces. Center the stiff piece of Velcro over the left end of the strip, about 1/4 inch from the end, and stitch that down. Flip the strip over. Place the soft end of the Velcro on the right end, about 1/4 inch away from the edge, and stitch that down. And then do the same with the other 24 strips. And attach them together to make a chain. That's all there is to it. If you'd like to see more craft projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stop by the blog at debsdays.com. See you next week with another project.